To set up screen recording on Oppo Find X9 Pro, first of all, let's open a settings on our device. We can then scroll all the way down and enter the accessibility and convenience. Go down to the screen recording and then there's all of the settings that we can adjust. So first thing is record system sound. You can turn it on and off, which speaks for itself. It will record your system sounds. Then there's record microphone sound, which allows you to basically speak, and that way your phone will record your voice along with the screen recording. Then there's definition, basically a resolution. You can put it on high, medium or low, but keep in mind that having it on higher settings will consume more space on your phone for the files. You can also go for a custom, which allows you to adjust resolution yourself and bitrate as well. Then there's a frame rate. You can adjust it to 60 FPS, 30 FPS or dynamic, which will put it up to 120 FPS. Privacy protection will basically enter do not disturb mode while screen recording and won't show notifications or any data that you don't want to have on your screen recording. Then in other, you can choose indicator location. You can pick all of those three at the same time, and what it is, it basically shows you options for your screen recording. So you can stop it, you can pause it, you can save the files, and etc. So you can use status bar, lock screen, or notification and drawer. Then there's the option for auto pause. When you lock your screen during screen recording, your video recording will stop pause for a few seconds. Then when you unlock your phone, it will resume. Then there's option to show you screen touches. That means if you tap anywhere on the screen, it will record those touches. Video coding format also changes the compatibility and the space that those files occupy. For smaller video sizes, you can go for H265, and for better compatibility, you can go for 64. And now to begin a video recording, there's all different ways, but I prefer to just swipe down from the top right corner of the screen, and then there's screen recording right here. You can click on it, make sure to allow any permissions, and then you can start recording. Also adjust those two options as well. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.